In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear liftgate support. On this Chevy Tahoe, you'll have one of these on each side of the liftgate. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. Before we start removing this, it's important to remember that this is what holds up the rear liftgate. So once you take this off of here, you're only going to have one piston holding it in place. So be extremely careful. We'll start by using a small flat blade screwdriver. Get underneath the locking clip and pry it out of place. Now that we have the clip out of there, we'll leave this in place, make our way down to the bottom, and do the same thing. Now that we have both of the locking clips out of there, let's take hold of that rear liftgate, lift it up a little bit, and remove our liftgate support. There it is, friends. All right, let's get ready for the installation of our brand new liftgate support. We'll take this and put it into position, latch it in up along the top, and the same down along the bottom. Double check to make sure it's completely secure. After that, the process is the exact same thing for the other side of the vehicle. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.